Under Brazil's presidency, we have witnessed a remarkable commitment among G20 nations to strengthen culture as a pillar of global solidarity and sustainable development. Indonesia highly commends Brazil's dedication to elevating culture within the multilateral framework, marking an opportune moment to advance the role of culture in addressing global challenges. This is particularly a significant moment for Indonesia, as we recently established a dedicated Ministry of Culture, the first ministry in our nation's history focused solely on cultural affairs. These milestones reflect the commitment of President Prabowo Subianto to ensure that culture remains central to our national identity, societal growth, and contribution to the global community. Through this new ministry, we reaffirm our dedication to advancing culture as a vital pillar for fostering social cohesion, promoting environmental sustainability, and enhancing societal well-being.